Today we are making spicy Korean style cucumber salad. And the first choice you need to make is what type of cucumber. And I typically like a Persian or an English. They're a little thinner and less seeds. And then the second choice you have to make is what kind of cut you like. And I think a good 1/2 inch cut on the cucumber is good. You can slice it, dice it, and you can see here I'm kind of doing it into little triangles. But whatever works for you. And but I recommend a 1/2 inch slice. And after I'm slicing these cucumber slices, I am setting them aside into a separate mixing bowl. And in just a moment, we're going to cover them with some salt. 2 teaspoons, about a tablespoon of salt. Doesn't really matter. You want a good amount of salt in there. We're trying to draw out the moisture of the cucumbers and allow them to remain crunchy. So we're going to sprinkle the salt over it and let it just sit for about 30 minutes. And then we are going to rinse all the salt off in just a moment. So the salt has been drawing out the moisture out of the cucumbers for about the last 30 minutes. Now it's time to put it in a colander, and we'll go ahead and rinse all that salt off and get the moisture out of the cucumbers. So you can see here in the bottom of the mixing bowl some of that moisture that's been drawn out of the cucumbers. And we'll just discard that. And then you can see here where they're still pliable. So a lot of the moisture is out. We still need to get more moisture out, and we're going to rinse them all off, get all that salt out. And what I recommend is after you've rinsed them out and you kind of wring them out by hand to get as much moisture as you can, taste it, because you really don't want to taste much salt in these cucumbers at all. So after I've gotten most of the moisture off, I leave them in the colander to dry a bit while I go ahead and make the sauce. The other option is to take out a kitchen towel and pour the cucumbers on that, let them dry out some more while we make the sauce and put it all together. So here's the ingredient list that we need to make the sauce. I'll also put this in the information section below, as well as on my website, which will have the easy to follow method as well. So here is the sauce in the mixing bowl, and we mixed all those ingredients together well, incorporated them well together, and then we add the cucumbers on top and mix it really well till it's all thoroughly coated. And once you're done all mixing, put it in the refrigerator and just chill for an hour. This is a wonderful dish on its own, or a perfect side dish for barbecue meats. Just, you're really going to enjoy it. Please subscribe and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.